Hi, this is Dr. Barka here, and I was practicing in my own clinic in Bangalore and recently moved to Delhi. And I was doing endo treatment there as well, but with the hand files. And I wanted to improve my skills, so I was looking for the advanced endo courses. And I was when I was searching and I was looking for the courses. I just go through the Dr. Sachdeva Institute uh, web page, and there I contact him and I find that I should go for this course, and I am really happy that I joined this course, and I will advise all of you to join advanced endo course or all courses where you feel you want to improve your skills with Dr. Sachdeva. And he's really a very nice doctor. He will let you know about all your doubts and he will clear everything, and he will show you everything step by step, so you will be very confident in your practice. And I learned very new things here, and like glide path and like pro glider and the rotary files. So yeah, I'm now confident to improve. Now I'm confident that yeah, I can do one single sitting root canal. And yes, I think all of you, if you want to improve your skill, you should join Dr. Sachdeva Institute. I learn here in live patient, which is very important for all the practitioners. So to be confident enough to start their own practice. And I have started using loops here, and how to apply rubber dam and how to use electronic apex locator. So, and I want to mention the staff here is really good and they are very helpful, and as well as the doctor. So I will highly recommend it, Dr. Sachdeva Institute, for all of you. Thank you.